Hi, these comments are for Gigi. This is Michael from bettertoeflscores.com. Thank you for completing your speaking practice test. You subscribe to my TOEFL speaking and writing feedback service. So you're doing an independent speaking task, and based on your response, I think you're focusing around the topic of teachers. Is it difficult to be a teacher? Something to do with that, right? Okay, I have the independent speaking rubrics here, and I'm going to listen to your response. I like to have the rubrics kind of right in front of me as I listen to it. I can more accurately score your response. Here we
To be
go.
a teacher is difficult, not easy. I have a friend, her name is Andrea, and last month she went through a challenging situation. She had lots of students failing grades, and she was feeling overwhelmed with so much to do and not able to help out those students. Therefore, she hired a teaching assistant. However, the teaching assistant did not do her job well and was slacking at work. Therefore, my friend had to
This is, I think, the most important part. You can probably cut out some of the beginning of the response and expand more in this area.
go to the school principal and reported her. Uh, Therefore, what was to be a easy fix became a nightmare for my friend, and she had to face this huge challenge to deal with personal with the relationships between coworkers.
Okay, I got it. So I'm thinking around 23 to 25 points. That would be my guess right now. So I put together some notes. So let's see what I've written down here to kind of help you. Sometimes it's good to be organized like this. So I think overall, it's a good, solid response, but there's a few areas I think that you want to pay attention to. And as you do more speaking practice, try to improve in certain areas. Grammar and sentence structure. This is a recurring problem. So you said in the response, I have a friend, her name is. However, it's more natural to just say, I have a friend whose name is. There's no need for those two short sentences. So using whose allows you to combine those sentences, and that's going to show syntactic variety. So your tip here, practice combining ideas using relative clauses like who, whose, which, and that to show command of more complex grammar structures. Sentence coherence and transitions. Great job using therefore. I think you also said however as a cause effect transition also to show contrast. It makes it easier for the IBT human writers to understand the organization of your ideas. Now, you did say therefore, I think twice. So be careful about overusing the same connector. It can be a little bit repetitive or even formulaic. So you can use other words like hence, thus, consequently, as a result, and they all show cause effect relationship as well. So the tip, try rotating between these words and practice responses so you get more comfortable using them. So that way you're not just using therefore. Fluency delivery. There were some hedges and awkward pauses near the end of your response. Be careful. This may indicate uncertainty or trouble organizing ideas under time pressure. It can also signify the lack of automaticity of language use, something that you want to show that you're very automatic and comfortable speaking English, right? So at the very end of the response, I didn't feel that when I was listening to it. Also, be careful about redundancy. You said difficult and then you said not easy. But basically these things mean the same thing. So pick one, either say it's difficult or not easy, but don't say both. And you have more room for content later in your response. I think you had a little bit of trouble with the word situation, sitch, that CH sound there. So be careful about that. Make sure that you're pronouncing the medial consonant sounds, I think, with more clarity. Tip, practice minimal pairs, things like chew, shoe, ship, ship, shoes, shoes, to help you refine and distinguish this sound from other sounds. Content and development. Your personal example was a strong part of the response, so you have a good strategy. Personal anecdotes make answers more vivid and relatable. Now, that said, the situation between the teacher and the assistant, that's when I paused in the response. I mentioned this. It could have been further developed. So consider removing less essential parts of your response and expanding on the core conflict. Explain the details. What exactly happened? What were the consequences? How did each person react? So focus on the who, what, when, where, and why of the example to give depth to your story within the 45-second time frame. Language use and vocabulary. Your vocabulary and grammar were generally accurate but somewhat limited, which restricted the full expression of your ideas. So tip, keep a running list of high-frequency academic words and practice incorporating them into your speaking. The TOEFL values precise vocabulary. So your estimated score, as I said, 23 to 25 out of 30. So you're clearly in the upper mid-range. So to break into the 26 plus zone, focus on smoother delivery with fewer pauses, more precise and varied vocabulary, and further development of key ideas within the time limit. So I think if you can make those three changes, you're in very, very good shape. So final tips for improvement. Number one, record and review. Listen to your responses and identify patterns in pauses, repetition, or unclear grammar. Especially make sure the grammar is not too simple. Number two, shadow native speakers. Imitate natural speech from podcasts or sample TOEFL responses to improve fluency and pronunciation. Three, practice under pressure. Simulate test conditions with a timer to build comfort within the 45-second response window. And then as you're doing, get feedback regularly. So you usually are pretty good about sending me at least 1 or 2 practice tests a week, but let's try to get that to maybe 3 to 4 speaking practice tests a week so I can keep giving you feedback exactly like this. So keep up the great work. You're getting close to your speaking goal. Just keep practicing and polishing responses and you will get there.